Hello and welcome back. We now discuss an example from differentiation. The question is differentiate with respect to x. Now, the function given here is 5 raised to x raised to 4 times e raised to x. So we name this function as y. So let y be equal to 5 raised to x raised to 4 times e raised to x. Now here we apply the chain rule, that is derivative of a raised to fx, right? So the function given on the right hand side is of the form a raised to fx, and we know that derivative of a raised to fx is a raised to fx times log a into derivative of fx. So we use this chain rule and obtain dy by dx. So therefore dy by dx is equal to 5 raised to x raised to 4 into e raised to x times log a, that is log 5, into derivative of fx. Now here fx is x raised to 4 times e raised to x. Now proceeding further, let's see what we obtain. We have 5 raised to x raised to 4 into e raised to x into log 5. Now here we apply the product rule or the multiplication rule. So we have x raised to 4 into derivative of e raised to x plus e raised to x times derivative of x raised to 4. So here we have applied the product rule. Next step would be 5 raised to x raised to 4 times e raised to x into log 5 into x raised to 4 times, now derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, plus e raised to x into derivative of x raised to 4 is 4x cubed. Now if you observe in the bracket, we could take e raised to x as the common factor, and x cube also could be taken as a common factor. So we have 5 raised to x raised to 4 into e raised to x into log 5. Now we take e raised to x as the common factor and x cube also as the common factor. First term we are left with x plus here e raised to x and x cube. Put these terms out and we are left with 4. So this is actually the required derivative value, and we just put it this way. So therefore dy by dx is e raised to x into x cube into x plus 4 into 5 raised to x raised to 4 into e raised to x times log 5. So this is the required dy by dx.